Hi everyone, I'm Sirisha Gangavarpu. I'm pursuing Masters at UIS. As part of my assignment Business Ethics, considering cloud computing for professional ethics, I'm going to share my views on power consumption and carbon footprint. Mainly, I'm going to highlight how this issue is very important to the society and what are the effects we are going to face if we are ignoring this issue and what all other steps we need to take to solve this issue. Now coming to cloud computing, we need to know what does it mean. And it is an internet based computing in which large group of remote servers are networked together to allow sharing the data and online access to computer resources. Nowadays cloud computing has a very big impact because everyone start using shared data on the cloud. Next, I am going to speak about power consumption. Power consumption is nothing but usage of power in many forms like fuel consumption, energy consumption, electricity consumption, coal, gas, oil, etc. all will come under power consumption. We need to remember one thing here. The more we consume the power, the more we are polluting the environment. It means we are releasing a lot of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, which leads to high rate of carbon footprint. Carbon footprint is nothing but fixed amount of emission of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, which are induced by our own activities like deforestation, urbanization, industrialization, usage of heavy trucked vehicles, and increase in the population and many more. The problems we are going to face with these issues are air pollution, water pollution, unusual changes in weather pattern and rise in temperature on a global scale. Changes in climatic patterns could produce unexpected weather phenomena and natural disasters, as well as rise in temperature of Earth is nothing but global warming. As there is pollution in atmosphere, there is a chance of causing acidic rains, which leads to water pollution. But we need to take some simple steps to solve this issue, and it's a collective responsibility of every individual, and even the government and the business people must take initiative measures to solve this issue in order to reduce the carbon footprint. But the good news is that many popular companies like Facebook have started using solar energy, which is a renewable resource, to produce their own electricity to run their servers. The business people can also think and take steps similar to this and use renewable resources like solar energy, wind energy instead of non-renewable resources. The government can also take some simple steps to reduce carbon footprint and power consumption, like improving efficiency of energy regarding household appliances, reducing emission of carbon dioxide from power plants, and also keep limitation of use of power so that companies can keep track of records, and also encourage companies to use renewable resources instead of non-renewable resources. I want to conclude my discussion that using renewable resources is much better than using non-renewable resources, because by taking these simple steps initially itself will change the atmospheric conditions, and also we can able to reduce the carbon footprints and power consumption. Thank you.